What's up, y'all? Today we have a brand new unboxing of an actual brand new box. This box in particular comes from Adidas. As you look right here, all you have to do is put one finger right here, and then one finger right here, and you get to see what we got. So, as you can't tell by the outfit I'm already wearing, or by these colors, this right here is the ULTRABOOST S Pride. S&L is short for suede and leather. Pride is the rainbow colors that you see accent throughout the whole shoe. I think this right here is a great shoe. This really goes with just about anything, in my eyes. So, take a look at it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to notice about this shoe, besides the all white, well, I want to say all white, because there's actually different portions of white throughout the shoe. So you have white right here in the prominent. And in between this stitching, if you look close enough, you're actually going to see gray. So there's white and gray stitching. There's like a top layer of white. Under that, it's going to be a bottom layer of gray. And then you have a cream, which is right here. So it's a white, gray, cream, followed by a rainbow cage. This cage right here is leather, and this right here is suede. And then you also have a reflective material right here, which is right around the toe box. In addition to that, you have some more suede on throughout the sides. You have two forms of gray. In addition to the gray, you're going to be this gold, what would you call this? I should say a gold stamp or a gold, I was going to say a gold accent, which says Ultra Boost, which I think this right here is what I like the most. I like when you put gold on a shoe, but you don't overdo it. I think this is the right amount of gold where it's just like, it's subtle. I like that. In addition to that, there's a few things I want you to show you guys real quick. On the insole of the shoe, there's a little note right there. Basically what that says is, we are proud and unapologetic, and we encourage you to be the same. Love unites. Love, Adidas. And the last detail that I noticed about this wasn't until recently. Look at that. Look at that, the laces. Look at that, rainbow laces. So even if you were to wear these laces in a different shoe, it would match, no matter what you got on. So overall, man, this is a great buy. You want this lamp on?
No.
Alexa, light the studio.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Studio?
Google would have figured that out.
Alexa, light the studio, please.
I didn't find anything called studio that can play music. To play on your speaker, use the device name or set up multi-room music in the Alexa app.
Another pickup. Today we got some no. Alright.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Let me see how I look.